In this video, we are out in the field with a John Deere 9610 combine working on corn harvest in northern New York. We'll also see a John Deere 7R290 tractor pulling a United Farm Tools grain cart. And at the end of the video, we'll see a John Deere 7720 mowing down the stalks to get the field nice for next year. The John Deere 9610 was John Deere's biggest combine in the late 90s. It was a 275 horsepower machine with a 240 bushel grain tank capacity. The unload auger is unloading at a 2.2 bushels per second unload rate. You may notice this grain cart seems a little unique. It is a United Farm Tools grain cart, which was manufactured in Oklahoma. This cart has a 2-auger design, and the interesting thing is there's this plastic boot on the auger where one auger actually drops the corn into the next auger to unload. Just kind of a neat design. United Farm Tools actually produced grain carts for John Deere for a while. Once harvest is complete, a lot of farms like to come in and shred the corn stalks to make for a cleaner seed bed and help the residue start to break down for next year. This John Deere 7720 is pulling a John Deere 115 flail mower. The mower is 15 feet wide and it mows a little different than your normal lawnmower style, which spins horizontally. This has knives inside that spin vertically that shred up the corn stalks. This practice is getting more and more rare to see because a lot of farms have gone to chopping corn heads, which actually mow down the stalks as they harvest the corn. So it's one less step with the modern combines. Thank you for watching this Northern New York dairy farm work on their corn harvest. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos.